Today, we are making something super comforting, quick, and high in protein paneer rice bowl. It is one of those recipes that is not filling but also healthy and refreshing, perfect for lunch, dinner, or even post workout meals. This bowl has everything fluffy rice, spicy golden paneer, and a cool creamy dip on the side that just balance all the flavors beautifully. First, let's talk about the base rice. Yes, you can totally use leftover rice for this, but I personally love making it fresh. So here I am boiling some long grain rice until perfectly cooked, not too mushy, not too hard. Once it's done, just strain the water and let the rice cool down completely. That resting time helps the grains stay fluffy and non-sticky later when we stir fry them. Now let's move on to the star ingredient paneer. I have cut two thick chunky slices of paneer. You don't want them too thin, otherwise they will crumble in the pan. Now let's season them. I am adding red chili powder for that spice kick, black pepper for depth, oregano for a herb note, salt of course, and my favorite peri-peri masala for the tangy spicy punch. Okay, maybe I added a little too much oregano, but honestly, that herby flavor turned out amazing. Now give your paneer a nice gentle rub. Coat both sides evenly. The marination might look simple, but trust me, once you pan toss it, the flavor really blooms. Heat a pan and drizzle a tiny bit of butter or ghee, just enough to sieve the paneer. Once it's hot, place your paneer slices carefully. Let them cook on medium flame. Don't keep flipping them. Just let the one side get that golden crust. You will know it's perfect when it smells slightly nutty and you see those crispy edges forming. Flip it and repeat on the other side. That's your spice herb golden brown paneer, soft inside, crispy outside. Set it aside and now for cooling yogurt dip. In a small bowl, add julienne cucumber carrot, then add spices, a spoon of hunkered, thick cream and smooth. Season it with salt, black pepper and chaat masala. Mix it all together and keep it aside. Now let's flavor up the rice in the same pan because who wants to wash extra dishes? Add a little butter. Once it melts, add some chopped coriander leaves, chili flakes and oregano. Give it a quick toss. The aroma itself feels like street style fried rice vibes. Now add your cooled cooked rice and mix everything gently. Don't press it down. Keep the rice fluffy. Add a pinch of salt, black pepper and red chili powder. Toss it again until everything mixed evenly and coated in butter and spices. At this point your kitchen will smell amazing. Buttery herb and spices all together. Now comes the best part, assembling the bowl. Take a big bowl or plate, start with the layer of that spiced rice, then gently place your golden paneer slice on top. Add a generous scoop of cucumber yogurt dip on the side. Garnish with some fresh coriander or maybe a sprinkle of peri-peri masala on top. Look at the creamy, colorful and absolutely delicious. This paneer rice bowl is everything you want in a meal, wholesome, refreshing and balanced. It's got the perfect mix of protein, carb, crunch and creaminess. And the best part, you can make it under 20 minutes all in one pan. If you like this recipe, do let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.